Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna be playing. Wait, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna be reacting to the Garden of Ant-Man 6 release date announcement. Now, this video is only 22 seconds, but do not worry. I made sure to get something so that this video isn't less than a minute. So, okay. Yeah, because I saw this video was short, so I just got like something. Okay. Yeah, so wait, it's kind of weird how they posted this on a Wednesday when usually they post on like on Fridays. I honestly would prefer if like the game came out on Friday. I'm hoping it still comes out on a Friday, like next Friday, because it'll be winter break and I can actually play the game. And make videos of playing the game. Okay, so these are experiment jesters. So these guys right here. Okay, so these people right here. Some of these were in the last chapter, some were not. So these two were in the last chapter. Pretty sure these two weren't. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so what is the release date? December 20th? What day is it? Oh, that's in a week. That's in a week, so that's next Wednesday. Oh no, that's next Wednesday. I won't be able to play the game immediately. I won't be able to play the game immediately. Ugh. Well, now for this. Yep, this tab right here. Wait, let me just close this one. Okay. So this is still going on. Yeah, so this right here, don't press the button 4. I'm not going to play this game for that long, though. So yeah. Oh, okay. Watch out for the mummy. Oh no. You press the button. I like how it just like puts like a big statue of who pressed the button so we can all hate them. Oh no, it's coming after me, it's coming after me, it's coming after me. Ah, get it off, get it off, get it off. You. Oh, I died. Oh, everybody died. Okay. What the? Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. A Bloxy Cola is right here. Yes, I'm surviving. Wait, am I not supposed to drink this all right now? I have a Bloxy Cola. If my HP starts to lower, then I'll drink it. Ow. Okay, that doesn't count because that was an accident by a cactus. Oh wait, alive? Okay. Oh my god, so many people just died. Okay, that's over, and I sold the Bloxy Cola. Oh, where are we? Wait, what the? What? Hey! Oh wait, no, I guess there was something else. Okay, jump over to Cummings lasers. Man, this is easy, bruh. This is easy, dude. What the heck? That was really easy. Rob the bank? Okay. 4 minutes? Okay, I guess I gotta do it for like a few more minutes. Yeah, I don't want to make this video more than 10 minutes because I have something else to do. Oh, now I gotta escape. Escape. I escaped the bank. Okay, I'm still waiting for people. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I accidentally went in. No. Oh my god, how are these guys not finished yet? Oh, I pressed a button. I killed everybody! Why are y'all pushing it there? That's not gonna get it off. We have to get it off the lobby. Oh yes, this direction. No, get it off. Guys, you have to do a team effort. Team effort. Bruh. Dude, I pressed the button and that killed everybody. Reach the end? Okay. Oh, there's appearing platforms. Why did they just jump over that? Why did they jump when there was clearly no platform? Oh, no. Oh, I died. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be it for this video. Yeah, I know it's short, but I have other stuff to do today.